I'm Muhammad Alauddin Fikri Abdul Maqsood. Now here I'm starting. I unlocked a new motorcycle. Wow. And here is like driving is very good. But please like and subscribe to my channel. And there's more videos coming. And the scary teacher video is coming for you tomorrow. Right now here endless mode. And here I'm going to drive in the desert. I will tell you a joke. Do you know why desert deserts have a lot of sugar? Like sand has a lot of sugar because it's desserts that we eat. Deserts. Well, some kind of like different a little bit in the sound because well, when you like have anything to do, you'll be like like a funny clown at that time. Well, right now messages keep coming, and it's so weird somehow in that thing. Well, here I'm going to tell you something. In that motorcycle, it's 173 like last time. And here I want to show you a new thing that is so nice. You could drive millions of kilometers on it. It's the free ride. Here it's maybe one way. And I want the traffic a little bit. No, do you know something? I don't want any traffic till now because a little bit of people like are so crazy in driving. Well, actually, in that game, you could drive millions of kilometers, and I'm so excited like to drive in the free ride. I'm so excited to be with you guys today. I hope my friends, my subscribers, my followers on Facebook, my followers on Instagram, and other people who are following me. So I joined on 3rd of September 2022 YouTube because it was my new account. My old account was ruined and he went to the garbage. So here I'm going like a big jump of the motorcycles. All of the cool people does it. Even 30-year-old or 18 plus children makes it. Well, 18 plus people are so weird when they go to like college. They're crazy. And here I drove 5.55 kilometers. I mean, like 55 here. Yeah. 5.91 kilometers. 6.75 kilometers. And 7.35 kilometers. So here, that's the free ride. I want to tell you to learn it. There's no time. Don't like be like a little bit worried about where you're going with that motorcycle. And that's it. See you next time, guys. Master of Games on the side of Games Gamer. And I hope you liked the video today. See you in other videos, guys. My name is Muhammad. And I would like to meet all of my subscribers and friends. Well, right now I'm in a holiday from school because I finished the year finally. So I'm going to do millions of videos to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, the Muhammad GLBT, good community for learning Planet Brain Train. And see you next time. Goodbye. Now here I bumped. Bye.